Binance is one of the largest cryptocurrency exchanges globally, offering a platform for buying, selling, and trading various cryptocurrencies. Users can perform several activities on Binance, including trading cryptocurrencies. Users can trade a wide range of cryptocurrencies against each other or against fiat currencies like USD, Euro, or other cryptocurrencies. Buying cryptocurrencies. Binance provides a user-friendly interface for purchasing cryptocurrencies using fiat currencies via bank transfers, credit/debit cards, or other payment methods supported in their respective regions. Staking. Binance allows users to stake certain cryptocurrencies, enabling them to earn rewards for holding those assets in their Binance accounts. Futures and margin trading. Binance offers futures trading, allowing users to speculate on the future price of cryptocurrencies with leverage. It also provides margin trading, enabling users to borrow funds to amplify their trading positions. Lending. Users can lend their cryptocurrencies to margin traders in exchange for interest payments. Binance Coin, BNB, utilities. Binance has its native cryptocurrency called Binance Coin, BNB, which users can use to pay for trading fees on the platform. Additionally, BNB holders can participate in various token sales, receive discounts on trading fees, and access other features within the Binance ecosystem. Token Launchpad. Binance Launchpad is a platform for launching new cryptocurrency projects through initial coin offerings, ICOs, or initial exchange offerings, IOs, allowing users to participate in token sales. IQ Option is a trading platform that offers a range of financial instruments for trading, including stocks, options, cryptocurrencies, forex, foreign exchange, commodities, and ETFs, exchange-traded funds. It's known for its user-friendly interface and accessibility to traders of all levels of experience. Here's what people can do with IQ Option. Binary options trading. IQ Option initially gained popularity for its binary options trading platform. Binary options are financial instruments where traders predict the price movement of an underlying asset within a specified time frame. Traders can profit if their prediction is correct, earning a fixed return on their investment. Digital options. In addition to binary options, IQ Option offers digital options, which are similar but with more flexibility in terms of setting the strike price and duration of the trade. Forex trading. Traders can access the Forex market through IQ Option, allowing them to trade currency pairs and speculate on the exchange rate movements between different currencies. Stocks and ETFs trading. IQ Option provides access to a wide range of stocks and exchange-traded funds, ETFs, allowing traders to invest in the shares of various companies and diversified portfolios of assets. Cryptocurrency trading. IQ Option offers cryptocurrency trading, enabling users to trade popular cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and others against fiat currencies or other cryptocurrencies. Commodities trading. Traders can speculate on the price movements of commodities such as gold, silver, oil, and natural gas through IQ Option's platform. Options trading. IQ Option expanded its offerings to include traditional options trading, allowing traders to buy and sell options contracts based on various underlying assets. Binance is a top choice for cryptocurrency enthusiasts, offering a wide range of digital assets for trading, along with features like spot trading, futures, staking, and robust security measures. On the other hand, IQ Option provides a diverse selection of financial instruments beyond cryptocurrencies, including stocks, forex, commodities, and more, making it suitable for traders looking to diversify their portfolios. With its user-friendly interface and educational resources, IQ Option caters to traders of all experience levels. Visit Binance or IQ Option today, links provided in video description. Thank you for watching our video. Have a wonderful day.